welcome back, or welcome, whichever one. So we are going to be doing another hair video, but this time we're going to be doing a product review. So we are going to be reviewing these products. This is the Taraji P Henson hair care line. If you don't know, Taraji P Henson has a hair care line now, and I saw it at Target, so I decided to pick it up, and we're gonna check it out today. Also, I want to use this. So we are going to wash, condition, blow dry out, and wave. And this is by Bedhead, and it's called Wave Artist. So we're gonna be trying all three of these products today. I have to hop in the shower so I can wash and condition. And I really think this packaging is so cute. Isn't this a cute packaging? Like, I just love everything about it. So the shampoo is called Honey Fresh, and the conditioner is called Make It Rain. For the Honey Fresh, it says it's for all hair type, and it is a clarifying shampoo with moisture. So I'm excited to use this. And it has aloe, honey, and willow bark extract. For the Make It Rain conditioner, also for all hair type, a hydration rich conditioner, and it says it hydrates, smooth, and detangle. And this one is infused with aloe, quinoa, avocado oil, and moringa oil. So I'm excited to use this one as well. And it smells really good. And they both have the same smell, which I really like, because when the shampoo and conditioners have two different smells, I don't really like that, because if you shampoo your hair, that smell is not going to stick around because you're going to condition it right after. So if the conditioner has a different smell, unless they work together, but I like it when they're consistent. So let's go wash this. Let's go do that right now. And this is a old braid out, like old, like we have gotten all of our uses out of this braid out. So now it is time to wash, and I'm so excited. So let's go. this is how it looks fresh out the shower. My pattern and texture is all over the place, but this is how it looks. And now I'm about to blow dry it out. So for my blow dryer, I use this, and this is by Hot Tools, I'm pretty sure. This is just like the fastest way for me to do a blowout, so I use this. And then I use my heat protecting spray. This one is by Styling Solutions, I'm pretty sure. I get it from Sally's, and it's a heat protecting smoothing spray. I always use this. And then this smoothing serum, it's compared to the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. Smooths, conditions, adds shines, reduces drying time. So I'm going to section my hair in 4 sections, and then I'm just gonna blow out each section. So it'll be pretty easy. So let's go. so this is the finished look. It wasn't that bad. I mean, at first I was a little nervous because I was like, oh, what's these ends looking like? This is blown out hair, so you kind of do have to hold it on the ends a little bit longer just to give it a little bit more heat so that they don't be looking all crazy. I mean, it'll all come together in the end. And then you can also probably like touch up the ends like with a flat iron if you wanted to. Just, you know, hold it real quickly right there just to give it a smoother look. But I'm gonna just roll with it. I will say that the handle is a little bulky, so it was hurting my hand a lot. This groove is supposed to, like, you're supposed to hold it like this, but it was kind of like awkward for me to do, so it kind of was hurting my hand a little bit. But I guess the more you do it, the easier it should probably get. But other than that, I really like this little waver thing, and it didn't take that long, to be honest. Like, it didn't take that long. I think the only part that takes the longest is having to hold it for each section for that one section. So like for each, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. For having to do it like that. That's probably the part that takes the longest. But other than that, I really do like this, and I really am feeling these little beach waves and stuff. And it wasn't even that expensive. I think it was like, oh, I have my receipt. It was $25, so it was $24.99. Not that expensive at all. And then for these, I really did like these. These were $9.99 per bottle, so $10 per bottle, which is not that bad. If you want good natural hair care, I mean, you are gonna spend a little bit more. So I think being priced at $9.99 per bottle, and like, this is 12 fluid ounces. That's a good amount. For good hair care for natural hair, I would spend $10 per product, especially if you're getting a nice amount. And the packaging, love the packaging, love the scent, love the way it made my hair feel. Like, my hair was very refreshed and cleansed, so I would probably purchase that again. And I'm really excited to try other things from that line, so I'm gonna keep my eye out, and if I see something else, I'm gonna pick it up. But this is the finished look, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. Again, if you give it a thumbs up, that helps me know that these are the type of videos that you like to see. Again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.